Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chili sauce pasta. First, gather all your ingredients, including your chosen pasta, fresh garlic, and red chilies. Next, finely chop 2 cloves of garlic and 1 or 2 red chilies, depending on your desired spice level. Also, measure out about 1/2 cup of your favorite chili sauce and 1/2 cup of crushed tomatoes. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's build our flavorful sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add your finely chopped garlic and chili, sautéing them for about 1 minute until they become wonderfully fragrant. Then, stir in your measured chili sauce and crushed tomatoes. Let this mixture simmer gently for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. While your sauce simmers, it's time to cook the pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Add about 250 grams of your chosen pasta, cooking it according to the package instructions until it is perfectly al dente. Remember to reserve approximately 1 cup of that starchy pasta cooking water before you drain the rest. This water is a secret ingredient for a silky sauce. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add your perfectly cooked pasta directly into the simmering chili sauce in the pan. Pour in about 1/2 cup of the reserved pasta water, tossing everything thoroughly to ensure the pasta is evenly coated. The pasta water helps create a luscious, cohesive sauce. Garnish with fresh parsley or grated Parmesan cheese and serve your delicious chili sauce pasta immediately. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.